Hello, this is Sabbir Hossain. I am an environmental researcher and social activities. As a young researcher, I have worked on several climate actions and environmental innovations like plastic recycle system, developing social engagement on plastic recycle awareness. Now I am working on Filter Bangladesh as a sustainability lead. We worked on women health and our child. I'm a very young, and in this age I have lots of capability to enforce our social development, and I'm working on that. I have a strong team and I have a capability to support our policymaker to provide our field data and our field experience. Now I'm connected with UNIDO work, and I'm highly connected with plastic industries, their efficiency, wastage, and product designing facilities that directly connect with our environmental concern on plastic. I am trained by our high officials and several NGOs who are highly connected with climate actions and environmental resilience. As a sustainable lead, I have a plan to develop so many innovations and social development approach. Because I'm a researcher, I have a clear field level knowledge how it works. I like to share my excellence. I want to be a global lead, especially global south. As a Bangladesh is a very vulnerable country. My country needs a huge potential to sustain its climate, and I like to connect with NGFP, work with high officials and policymakers. If I grab the opportunity, first I will build a strong team, and I have to establish some innovations, and I will help our policymaker to share my excellence and my research experience. And also, as a young, it's an opportunity to connect with some environmental specialists.